Hey, let's try something completely random and different. So, in 3, 2, 1, go! Look, Randy, water, moisture, river.
Woods. Mike. Hi!
Y'all ready for this?
Borrow your shirt for a second.
He's gonna borrow my shirt
Yes, thank
for
you.
something.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Thank
This
you.
is okay. Okay, so I can do this backwards.
I could tape you going across, you know.
No, it's okay. I'm a professional at being an
I'll be
amateur.
Right over here.
Whoa.
Now don't lose our cool video.
I'm trying not to. Wait, wrong angle. Oh, I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing. Oh. Okay, cool. Alright, you coming? There, I'm off it.
Look, you need strong wood.
What?
Indiana Jones, never mind.
Anyway, cool. Hey, it's Monday. I'm back to work. Try round 2. Round 3.